In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted bank accounts from QuickBooks Online. If you've got old, duplicate, or test bank accounts cluttering up your books, this walkthrough will show you how to clean things up safely. In QuickBooks Online, removing an account usually means making it inactive. That hides the account from your day-to-day lists, stops new activity from being posted to it, and keeps all your historical data and reports intact. It's the right way to tidy your chart of accounts without losing past records. Once you're signed in, start by heading to the small settings gear icon at the top right of QuickBooks Online and click it. This opens a menu of key tools and preferences. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This page is the master list of all your accounts: bank accounts, credit cards, income, expenses, and more. On the Chart of Accounts page, locate the specific bank account you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, use the search bar, or filter by account type to narrow it down to bank or credit card. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct account by checking its name and any identifiers you use internally. This quick double check helps prevent hiding the wrong account by mistake. When you found the right one, look to the action column and click the small arrow or drop down beside the account. This reveals options for managing that account. Choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will let you know that this action hides the account from selection menus and prevents new entries from being posted to it, while preserving its historical transactions for reporting. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm the change. Click Make Inactive again to proceed. If QuickBooks displays any notes or warnings, read them to ensure you're comfortable continuing, then confirm. After this, the account will no longer appear with your active accounts, helping keep your bookkeeping lists clean and focused. A few helpful tips as you do this. It's best to make sure the account is fully reconciled and there are no pending bank feed items tied to it. If you have recurring transactions or rules that use this account, consider reviewing those so they don't try to post to an inactive account later. And remember, making an account inactive isn't permanent. If you ever need it again, you can reactivate it from your chart of accounts. That's all it takes to remove unwanted bank accounts from QuickBooks Online in a safe, bookkeeping-friendly way. Thanks for watching, and keep your books tidy.